Today, we will show you a SKYDROID S12 alarm. Let's take a look at the product manual together. S12 adopts cutting-edge wireless frequency band detection technology. The effective detection distance can reach 3到5千米. Where can I place an order for such a great product? AliExpress can be purchased. You can see the selling price here. Besides AliExpress, you can also purchase on Alibaba International Station. I have placed the link below the video here. Now let's unpack the box and take a look at the actual picture. This is our product. This is our host. It is a portable detector. To learn more details, please leave a comment in the comments section.